Alif Parvaz. Parvaz means to fly. So we want to make every dreams come true. And we stand here for a common man. So our brand promise is we bring study abroad within common man's reach. तो लोगों में ये यूजुअली ये सोचा जाता है कि बाहर पढ़ने जाना बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है और ये हमारे रीच के बाहर है. सो वी वांट टू ब्रेक दिस मिथ and that's the reason why we organize this event wherein you can explore the world's best universities, that too at a fees which can be lesser than what you will be paying for the private colleges here in India. So world's top 500 ranking universities were here and their fees were starting from as low as 3 lakh rupees per annum onwards. So I think this is what every common man can easily afford, and they can also make their children to travel abroad to have the quality lifestyle and have the access to the education which was earlier was only reserved for the privileged students.
Also, we have recently seen the visa issues, deportation from USA. You can share something about that also?
That's always going to happen with the students who find the donkey route. You know, we saw that movie. So we are here for the legal way to get into the foreign country. And there are lots of illegal ways, and if you, as a India, अगर हमारे यहाँ से कोई बांग्लादेश से, नेपाल से illegal लोग रहते हैं, हम नहीं चाहते कि वो हमारे यहाँ रहे, right? Illegally. So कोई country कैसे illegal Indians को रखेगा वहाँ पे? So that's the reason why those students or those people, they were not students, वो लोग जो illegally बाहर रह रहे थे, उनको वापस भेजा गया है, जो हर कोई country करेगी. बट यहाँ हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हैं जो लीगली बाहर पढ़ने के लिए जाना चाहते हैं और एक क्वालिटी लाइफ जीना चाहते हैं, एक अच्छा करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए हम यहाँ पे. So we were privileged to have today in our event. So we were privileged to have in our event today as a chief guest Mr. John, who was a commercial officer from US Consulate, Mumbai. And that gives you a lot of confidence that the consulate is supporting the event. Means a lot for us and for the students and parents जो एक question पूछते हैं, can we trust this company? So when the country can trust us, you can trust us, simply thing. And of course, we were having around 32 plus universities in this event. We had these universities coming from 12 different countries, including Malaysia, Ireland, Germany, France, UK, US, Switzerland, Spain, etc. We had total 300 plus students walk in today for the counseling session, which was free of cost to them. And we had 37 students enrolled for career counseling. As Alif, we believe that first thing is you need to know what to do in life. Where to do is a secondary thing. तो बहुत से बच्चों का यही कन्फ्यूजन होता है कि वो लाइफ में करे क्या, उसमें कन्फ्यूजन होते हैं. So we did 37 career counseling. We had IELTS coaching 14 enrollment. IELTS एक एग्ज़ाम होता है जो आपको बाहर जाने के लिए देना होता है. Then we had total 31 admissions who on the spot decided that yes, this is the right company, this is the right university for me, and I would like to go ahead. And we also had 4 lucky winners. We had the lucky winners announced throughout the session who got freebies, bags as a gift immediately to take away. So overall, I think our team has done a tremendous job. We would like to thank our university partners who are here to give away free guidance to the students. So student doesn't have to go to 10 different places and endlessly search the website to find the university. We also had a bank, HDFC Credila, and they were here to support the students, and they are very aggressive in terms of giving the in-house services to the banks for the loan point of view. Thank you very much for covering this event, because अगर आप और आपकी आवाज़ ना हो तो हम ये चीज़ बाहर लोगों तक पहुंचा नहीं सकते हैं. So thank you so much for coming, and we need your more support after this event, because ये 300 लोग हैं, बट वहाँ पे और 3 लाख स्टूडेंट हैं जो शायद बॉम्बे में जाना चाहते हैं, जो नहीं पहुँच पाए, जिन तक ये मैसेज नहीं गया. We will need your support so that we can reach out to those students who are digitally available and who will be looking forward to get this opportunity. They are more than welcome to come and visit our offices. We have got the offices across Mumbai, in Bandra, Andheri, Kurla and Kalyan. So you are more than welcome to visit our office, get free counseling, and make your dream come true of studying abroad.
My name is Gitanjali. I am the Director Enrollment for Hult International Business School. Hult International Business School has got global campuses all across. It's located at US, UK. In US, we are towards Boston, San Francisco, London, Singapore, Dubai. We are thankful to Aleph Education because this particular global education gave us a platform to meet students from all across. The best part of this event was that the students were curious enough to ask questions that were related to their courses that they were looking forward to. We are quite hopeful that lots of students who are looking forward for their master's program will be choosing Hult International Business School as one of their options to study abroad. We are looking forward to make this collaboration a win-win situation for the next September 26 intakes, a very fruitful one. Thank you so much.
My name is Aniket Lingat and I have been representing Credila. So I have been associated with Credila from last 2 months, and so this is first time when I have come to the event, and event is so wonderful, and we have got so overwhelming response from this event, and we have met with a lot of students who are aspiring to study abroad. Okay, so first of all, the eye-catching line which I saw in this event, that we bring study abroad within common man's reach. Okay, so this has been a very inspiring event, and thank you Alif and thank you Parvaz for arranging and this making this evening very warm and very wonderful. Okay.
How was your experience from morning to till now? You have met so many students. If you can share your experiences meeting that student and what outcome you get from them, counseling them.
Counseling them is very interesting. It's always been part of our own self. So, experience with Alif is extremely good because we could see so many universities at one go. It's like our, whatever the dream comes true, meeting so many universities and counseling these students is extremely very well and overwhelmed experience. Thank you.
I am fairly a newborn baby. We started only in April with Aslam Bhai and Alif. Basically, this is an interesting experience. I am basically a brick and mortar guy in infrastructure. Alif has brought me into this education business. The experience has been fantastic. I have done bigger events like this, but here it is seeing so many students coming right from morning to evening and so enthusiastically doing it. And Aslam is a very great PR guy, and we didn't know that he is going to do a news conference, press conference like this. And it was a shock to us that we are in front of you. This is only a beginning. Like Swami Vivekananda said, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. So we want our Indian students to go abroad. As Aslam Bhai has said, that it is for the common man. And not many will know that even at 3 to 4 lakhs per annum, people can go and study abroad. So we request you to reach it to the masses so that they all go in the normal route, in the legal route, to the overseas continents.
It was a great experience, today's fair. It was really a great experience. We got the students' feedback also about how they thought that this studying abroad business is a very big challenging financial challenge for them, and then they discovered that no, it can be done at a very lower rate. And thanks Alif and Aslam sir for having such a great universities come in, because this helped us to build a trust factor on Alif, and especially coming from a city like Kalyan where there is not much awareness about the study abroad thing. Children have come here, they saw the setup and they saw these universities, and they were like very much overwhelmed, and they have gone back with a positive approach, and they were saying that they will be referring other students also for this about Alif. And I'm really thankful for this opportunity set up by Aslam. Thank you.
One small point I wanted to add. We were privileged to have Mr. John McAdams to inaugurate the event. He is the commercial officer with US Consulate. He has accepted myself and Aslam's request and come and inaugurated the event, and he spent quite a good time with all the universities around here and specifically with the US universities. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Ever happened to our institute. So I am from East Asia Institute of Management, Singapore, and I thank you to Alif team to being so supportive to us and giving us the best in the market. Thank you so much.
Tell us about what benefits they will get to the students.
Okay, I think it's for every student who is looking to study abroad. I think it's the best opportunity for any student who wants to go and do something for themselves and achieve big in their life. You need to go out of your comfort zone, and today is the day with Global Education Fair with Parvaz Alif. You can do it today from Alif. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kinjal Kothari. I'm the South Asia manager for Barcelona Technology School. So my school is located in Spain. So we have all the courses in masters. So definitely students who are looking for AI, user experience, digital healthcare, technology management, MBA, they can reach out to the Alif Overseas. They are best in the industry. They are doing very good. The Parvaz Education Fair, which we participated today, we met some amazing ready profiles for October 2025. So definitely they have the knowledge. Mr. Aslam has a good years of experience in the industry. The team is very well versed with the process and those kind of things. So definitely whoever is planning to study in any part of the world, maybe Europe, US, Canada, Australia, they should be in touch with Alif Overseas and they will guide you and process for your visas. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Alright. So guys, my name is Sumit Singh. I'm representing Leeds Trinity University, and Alif Overseas is the direct contract partnership of Leeds Trinity. It's been a pleasure to be a part of such an event. To be true, I've attended a lot of events, but what I really miss from each and every event is that students' participation is there, but the parents usually don't tend to come along with them. But this was that one place, I think, where we could crack down the parents as well along with the students. So altogether, whether it was UG, PG, or even for Masters by Research, I had applicants coming down together with us. And as I said, the best part was parents. So if I am able to make the parents aware about the university's offering, what lies within the country UK, because it's not always about the university. It all starts from the country first, narrows it down to the city, and lastly the university part. So I believe I did my part of a job. The rest of the part is going to be lying in the students' end and the parents' end, and eventually at the end of the day it's Alif Overseas, who have been doing wonderful job at the end of the day to guide them in the right career, guide them at the right university and at the right country. So today's event, if I have to conclude, it has been into the right hands by the right partners and by the right university people who have come down to this event. So thank you so much for everyone, and I'm glad I got to be a part of such a wonderful event along with all the parents who came down to meet the university's people. Thank you so much.
So, myself, Uzma Mansoori, we are travel partner of Alif Overseas since more than 2 years, and like it was very amazing experience with Alif Overseas. Like this was my first time I participated in this Edu Fair, and it was amazing. I saw many students, they were like interested to study abroad, and Alif Overseas, they came up with great ideas and helping out students to just fulfill their dreams. So yeah, it was thumbs up for this, and congratulations to Alif Overseas, and let's see, and that's it. Thank you so much.
देखिए, ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि एजुकेशन फेयर यहाँ हो रहा है, और इस एजुकेशन फेयर का मेन जो मकसद है वो ये है कि जितने भी मिडिल क्लास लोग हैं जो ये समझते हैं कि अब्रॉड अगर एजुकेशन करेंगे तो बहुत महंगा होगा, वो जो भ्रम है बेसिकली उसको बाहर निकालना है। हमको ये बताना है सारे ही मिडिल क्लास पेरेंट्स को कि बाहर पढ़ाना भी उतना ही रीज़नेबल है जितना कि इंडिया में पढ़ाना। इसलिए बेहतर ये है कि आप यहाँ के बजाय बाहर जो अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ है, या इस एक्सपो में बेहतरीन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आई हैं, इन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में आपके बच्चों को पढ़ने का जो मौका मिलेगा वो बहुत बड़ी बात है। साथ ही साथ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के साथ बहुत सारे यहाँ पर एजुकेशनल एक्सपर्ट्स है, गाइड्स है, काउंसलर्स हैं जो आपको बताएंगे कि कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आपने चूज़ करनी चाहिए। और इस एक्सपो के साथ साथ हर मिडिल क्लास आदमी ये चाहता है कि उसका बच्चा अच्छा पढ़ाई करे, अब अगर उसको लगता है कि हमारे देश से बेहतर पढ़ाई अगर बाहर देशों में हो रही है, ऐसे में वो कोई भी लिमिटेशन ना रखे, विदाउट किसी भी लिमिटेशन वो बाहर की यूनिवर्सिटी में अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा सकता है। ये अलीफ परवाज़ का मानना है और इसी सिलसिले में ये इतना अच्छा एक्सपो हुआ है। और जितने भी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ यहाँ आई हैं, जितने स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ आए हैं, जितने अलग अलग लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, जो एक्सपर्ट्स यहाँ आए हैं, उससे मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को फ़ायदा होगा, जिससे कि उनके बच्चे बाहर पढ़ सकें।
सर, आपके एसोसिएशन के बारे में बताइए।
हमारा एसोसिएशन ये है कि हम इस इवेंट का एक मीडिया के साथ साथ एक इसका कॉरपोरेट स्ट्रक्चर भी हम हैंडल कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पर हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि इस किस्म की जो एक्सपोज है और उसके जो बेनिफिट्स है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचा सके। हमारी पीआर एजेंसी है जो इसके लिए काम कर रही है और साथ ही साथ इसकी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी और साथ ही साथ बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजी भी हम हैंडल कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।